It's Dylan getting suited up. He's got the box. These kids are going to be put into a new home.
Hopefully just as easy and quick as that.
Yeah.
Right into their new home.
Getting into position.
John's grabbing a couple frames to fill in here so that they think it's a home and want to stay there.
There's some frames going.
Okay.
What we'll do is, after we get the bees in, or the bulk of them in, we can put that. I got the front of this thing covered up.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll put that inner cover on there, and that way the bees can go in and out. And then we'll leave this setting up here. And then tonight,
At dusk or whatever, we can come to
after
them.
the bulb, or tomorrow morning, I'll come in. I'll come real early tomorrow morning.
So Dylan's just gonna shake that whole colony in there. Ah.